Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to create macOS Ventura Bootable USB. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. For this purpose, you'll require the macOS Developer Beta Access utility. This can be downloaded from your Apple developer account. Keep in mind that you must be enrolled in order to access the developer utility. If you don't have an Apple developer account, follow the guide from my button to download the utility without an account. Command text for creating the bootable USB, and also one USB with a minimum of 16 GB capacity is required for the purpose. The very first step is to install Beta Access utility. For that, open the downloaded file and run the package, and continue with the installer. If your device is supported, macOS 13 Beta will be there. Click on Upgrade Now, and macOS Ventura will be downloaded in the application folder. The installer pops up, as I have already downloaded the file. Now, close all, and plug the USB. And as you can see, the USB appeared. Now, open Disk Utility, and erase the drive with the following parameters. Click on Done, and close Disk Utility. Now, open the command text, and copy the whole command. After copying, open Terminal, and execute the command. Enter your password, when prompted, and confirm erasing of the USB. USB has been created successfully. And with this USB, you can continue installing macOS Ventura. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.